Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the headlight bulbs in a Dodge Caliber. It should cover the years from 2007 to actually 2006 until 2012. And this is the headlight bulb that you need for the basic model right here. It's H13, H13. This is the bulb. First thing that we will need to do is we need to open the hood of the vehicle. And now we need to remove that plastic right here. You just turn the things to the left like that and pull it out. And that's where the battery is located. Okay, and now right here on the back, okay, right there, that's where the headlight bulb is. So what you need to do, you need to put your hand there and turn to the left about 30 degrees, right like that, and pull the headlight bulb out. Okay, and this is the bulb, and now in order to remove it, you need to pull that plastic piece out of there. Okay, all the way, and let me show you, we need an extra hand here by pulling it all the way, and now you press down and pull it out. The new bulb, never touch the glass part with your fingers, because if you do, the oil from your fingers is going to make the bulb too hot and it's going to burn too fast. So you just push it like that. Again, you need to go in the hole, in the slots, like there, right there. Okay, let me see. And need to make sure that it gets in good. I'm sorry I cannot get a better video, but it's pretty limited. Okay, and you turn to the right this time, and the headlight bulb is right there. If you need to replace the right one, it's the same procedure, and it's located right there on the back. So again, you just turn it to the left and pull it out. So that's how you replace the headlight bulbs on that Dodge Caliber. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.